Okay, it is probably, it's like 10:14. Those tsunami sirens should be going off anytime. There's a lot of people in town. We'll see what happens anytime now. Anticipation. It is September 15th, Wednesday, at 10:14 in the morning, and it will be our first tsunami siren test. Can't wait to hear what they sound like. My iPhone says it's 10:15, so anytime now. We'll see what happens. I'm expecting it to be pretty loud. So I would say any time now. I know the Ocean Park Elementary School, I know they're going to do a drop, cover, and hold drill. The students will be going upstairs in the school, and they will be doing a drop, cover, hold. After that, then they will be going upstairs. So I have on my iPhone now, it says 10:16. So anytime. Lots of people in Ocean Park coming and going. Well, now it's 10:17, so hopefully they're not having any problems with it. Well, we know now that it didn't go off at 10:15. I can kind of hear a noise in the distance. Oh, here you go. I can hear it. Can you hear it? Is that it? I don't think anybody in Ocean Park even realized it even happened. I heard it in a distance, but interesting. Huh. think that was it. I don't think anybody really even realized that it even